Okay, let's see if I can say this right. I got this little espresso coffee maker. They're not too bad. And I do have alcohol stoves that work on it, but I wanted an alcohol stove that I could make and put inside and have it and not have it loose. So I come up with this one. It's like a super, well, actually, I guess you call it a super cat burner. Hairspray can, few holes around it. Then I put another cover on top so I could have a wider base and a cover on the bottom. I did put a few holes around here to let the heat to go up. And that the pot will sit on there beautiful without having to tip over. We'll fire it up and make a cup of coffee. Okay, let's fire up. We don't get a flame, we don't get a flame. A little extra prime again. Let's hope we don't melt that plastic cup. Hee. There she be. Now she's calming down. Looking pretty good, huh? Not bad. Let's zoom in. See, that's just right underneath the pot. No up sideways or anything. And that's exactly what we want. There she goes. Where's the rest of it? There.